Hey, fellow adventurers! Are you ready to embark on a journey that will fill your heart with excitement and your mind with unforgettable memories? Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a newbie to the road trip game, I've got you covered with this ultimate guide on planning the perfect road trip. We're talking routes, packing essentials, roadside attractions, and everything else. But first, did you know that the longest road in the world is the Pan American Highway, stretching over 19,000 miles from Argentina to Alaska? That's a lot of gas station snacks. Stick around to the end for a chance to join our road trip challenge. Let's roll and make some incredible memories. All right, let's start with the most exciting part, choosing your route. Your road trip route is not just a path, it's a canvas for your adventure. Start with your ultimate destination. Are you heading to a national park, a city, or maybe a coastal getaway? Having a clear end goal helps you plan the stops along the way. Next, break out those maps. Google Maps is a lifesaver here. Plot your destination and see what routes are available. Consider scenic byways over highways for a more enjoyable drive. Remember, the beauty of a road trip is in the freedom and flexibility it offers. You're in control of your journey. Let's dive into some iconic routes. For example, the Pacific Coast Highway in California offers breathtaking ocean views and charming seaside towns. Imagine cruising down this road with the sun setting over the Pacific, stopping at places like Big Sur and the lovely village of Carmel by the Sea. Route 40 in Argentina is a must-do for adventure seekers in South America. It spans over 3,000 miles, taking you through deserts, mountains, and lakes. You'll pass through Patagonia, one of the most stunning regions in the world. For a classic European road trip, try the Romantic Road in Germany. It's dotted with medieval towns and castles, making you feel like you've returned in time. And in Asia, the Karakoram Highway is a marvel, connecting Pakistan and China through the dramatic landscapes of the Karakoram Range. Research is the key to a successful road trip. Look up cool towns, quirky roadside attractions, and natural wonders along your route. Websites like Road Trippers and Atlas Obscura are gold mines for this. Remember to plan your pit stops. You'll need breaks to stretch your legs, refuel, and snap Insta-worthy photos. Aim for stops every 2 to 3 hours to keep the journey enjoyable. For example, if you're driving through Central California, stopping at the unique Bubblegum Alley in San Luis Obispo can be a fun and quick pit stop. Now that we've got the route down, let's talk about packing. Here's a detailed list of essentials you will want to remember. Safety should always be your top priority. Pack a first aid kit, a spare tire, jumper cables, and a flashlight. Remember to check your vehicle's maintenance before you go. Road trips can be long, so make sure you're comfortable. Bring neck pillows, blankets, and comfy clothing. A cooler with drinks and snacks will keep you refreshed and energized. When it comes to entertainment, having a killer playlist is a must. Create a mix of your favorite songs, podcasts, and audiobooks. I remember one road trip where we sang along to the Beatles' greatest hits. It made the long stretches much more enjoyable. Download offline maps and playlists in case you hit areas with no signal. And for those moments when the scenery is less than thrilling, have some card games ready. Classics like 20 Questions, I Spy, and the License Plate Game can keep everyone entertained. Don't forget your personal essentials, toiletries, medications, chargers, and your camera to capture all those epic moments. And here's a pro tip from personal experience: pack cleanup items. One time my daughter got sick in the back seat of our rental car on a remote stretch of highway in Central California. Wet wipes and bags came in handy, and we cleaned up without hassle. Trust me, you don't want to be caught without them. One of the most thrilling parts of a road trip is the joy of discovering unique roadside attractions. Here's how to find the hidden gems. Use websites like Roadside America and local tourism sites to see quirky attractions. There's something for everyone, from giant balls of yarn to historic landmarks. Be bold and ask locals for recommendations. They often know the best spots to be added to the map. Remember, the joy of a road trip is not just in the destination, but in the journey itself. It's about the unexpected discoveries and the thrill of the unknown. Get ready to be amazed. Leave some room in your schedule for spontaneous stops. Some of the best memories come from unplanned adventures. For example, on a trip through Arizona, we stumbled upon Jerome, a quirky old mining town with a ghostly past. It wasn't on our original plan, but it turned out to be one of the highlights of our trip. Stop by the Cadillac Ranch in Texas, or the Mystery Spot in California in North America. South America boasts the Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia, the world's largest salt flat. In Europe, the Leaning Tower of Pisa in Italy is a must-see. The Middle East has Petra, an ancient city carved into the rock in Jordan. In Asia, the quirky robot restaurant in Tokyo, Japan, is also an excellent place to visit. Share your discoveries on social media using hashtags like #roadtripfinds and tag us. We'd love to see what you find. Now let's talk money. Here's how to budget for your road trip without breaking the bank. Use apps like GasBuddy to estimate your fuel costs. Plan your route to avoid expensive gas stations. Look for budget-friendly accommodation options. Camping, hostels, and budget motels can save you a ton. For instance, in the US, many national parks offer affordable camping options that let you immerse yourself in nature. Pack snacks and plan for picnics to save on food costs. Eating out can add up quickly, so limit it to special meals. Allocate a portion of your budget for entrance fees and souvenirs. Look for free or low-cost activities to keep expenses down. If you're road tripping in North America, consider camping in national parks for an affordable and scenic stay. In South America, hostels are a great budget option. Europe offers many budget-friendly hostels and Airbnb options. In the Middle East, try couchsurfing or budget hotels. And in Asia, street food is delicious and a great way to save money. Staying connected and safe is crucial on the road. Here's how to do it. Use GPS and offline maps to ensure you remain aware of your location. Apps like Waze can help you avoid traffic and find the best routes. Let someone know your itinerary and check in regularly. This is important for safety and so someone knows where you are. Keep a list of emergency contacts and roadside assistance numbers. Better safe than sorry. In light of recent events, carry hand sanitizers, masks, and disinfectant wipes. Stay informed about local health guidelines. Whether in the remote stretches of the American Southwest or the bustling streets of Bangkok, having a reliable navigation system and staying connected with friends and family is vital to a safe and enjoyable journey. Finally, make sure you're capturing all those fantastic memories. Here's how to do it right. Use the golden hour for the best lighting. Experiment with different angles and compositions to get creative shots. Keep a travel journal to jot down your thoughts, experiences, and fun facts about the places you visit. Share your journey on social media. Use hashtags and tag us so we can follow along. You might inspire someone else's adventure. Film short clips and compile them into a travel video. It's a great way to relive and share the adventure with others. When traveling through North America, consider visiting landmarks like the Grand Canyon or Niagara Falls. South America's Machu Picchu in Peru is an unforgettable destination. Europe's Eiffel Tower in Paris offers iconic photo opportunities. In the Middle East, capture the stunning landscapes of Wadi Rum in Jordan. And in Asia, the Great Wall of China is a must-see. And there you have it, folks, your ultimate guide to planning the perfect road trip. Now it's your turn to hit the road and create your own adventure. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to avoid missing out on more travel tips and epic adventures. Comment below with your most extended or favorite road trip destinations. We'd love to hear your stories and tips. Join our road trip challenge by sharing your journey with us. Safe travels, and see you on the road. Before we go, here's a fun trivia question. What is the name of the famous highway stretching from Chicago to Los Angeles? Leave your answers in the comments. And don't forget to let us know what's the most extended road trip you've ever taken. We want to hear all about your adventures.